Do you know which is the biggest volcano in the world? It is located on the Great Island in Hawaii, and it is known as Mauna Loa. It has almost 5,000 square kilometers and rises almost 9,000 meters from the bottom of the ocean. It is a volcano that is still active. When we talk about height, Mauna Kea, also on the Great Island, steals the show. It rises more than 10,000 meters from its underwater base, becoming taller than Mount Everest. Mauna Kea, however, is inactive. The most interesting? Both are shield volcanoes, known for their smooth eruptions and lava flows that can spread for kilometers. Incredible the power of nature, right?